Welcome back, folks, to another episode. The Bay Area RC Car Basher team has been working really hard finding new locations and fun things to do for the local RC enthusiast. This coming Saturday, April 10th at 9 a.m., we're bringing out the Mega Ramp for the Mega Ramp Send It and Bash at Fallen Sport Complex in Dublin, California. So mark your calendars and support the team. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because on this day, we were out scouting new bashing locations and we came across Belmont Bike Park and RC Track 151. And you're not going to want to miss this epic RC freestyle action. Stay tuned.
God's perfect.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.